Something is going on with Dimensions cross stitch kits, and we all have a lot of questions. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle. I have got a huge collection of Dimensions kits that I have built up over the years. They were my favorite brand forever and ever, and suddenly finding new ones to purchase online, or with Joann's gone, I don't know where we'd find them in a store anymore. It is getting harder and harder. This is what happened. Last summer, Simplicity, the sewing pattern company, which owned Dimensions after it had been sold, I don't know how many times over the years before that, sold to the same liquidator that liquidated Joann's. That was bad news. This has been happening quietly behind the scenes for a while now. What I was able to find out this morning is that Dimensions has sold to another company called Advantis, and I spoke with someone there. He didn't seem to know for sure what the fate of Dimensions was going to be. Things were still transitioning, decisions had not been made. As far as getting replacement floss, if you run out, he said they're not set up for that yet and haven't decided if they're going to do that yet. Your best bet, according to him, is to email customer service at advantis.com. That's ADVANTUS. He did not know if they were going to provide PDF files for those of you who use Pattern Keeper, or if they were going to continue to manufacture some of the existing kits, or what was going to happen from there. That's not a lot of information, but that is the information that the company that owns Dimensions has and is willing to give out right now. So in the meantime, I guess we stitch what we have and maybe try not to pay crazy inflated prices to the resellers. The link from the Advantis website goes to Amazon, and there are very few Dimensions kits left going from the official Dimensions Amazon page. Do you stitch from kits? If kits are your thing, and I know that a lot of us have enough kits to last us for decades, but whose kits will you be stitching again? I love Riolas, but they're just not the same. I would love to hear what you think of all of this, if you saw it coming and stocked up, or if this is hitting you by surprise. Thank you for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle. I've got a whole channel full of stitching videos for you to check out, and knitting and quilting too.